Hi guys, welcome back. Usually I say good morning, but actually this time I'm going to say good evening because Ravi and I are out for our last evening walk here in the Schwarzwald, the Black Forest. And I think that is going to be a pretty epic last one. It's just Ravi and me because Max is absolutely knocked out after 3 days of hiking here in the mountains. So I decided to take Ravi along. As you can see, I'm not wearing my pack or anything because it's just a short walk. We are starting in Allerheiligen. That's where we have our apartment for this weekend. And what you saw there were the ruins of an old abbey. That abbey has burned down in 1804. So, well, you can make your calculation how long that has been. And those are the remains of it. And we have our apartment there, and during the day it's super crowded here. So therefore we took the opportunity when all the tourists and everybody is gone to make a nice evening walk out of it. And as you can tell, we are following a river, and this river leads into the Allerheiligen Wasserfälle. And Wasserfälle means cascades, and it is an epic one. It is a very big one. It is 66 meters high, and we got some first glimpse the first night that we arrived here, and it's gorgeous. So therefore I wanted to take you along and show you another beautiful part of the Black Forest, because man, I can tell you, this region is absolutely stunning. We are totally falling in love with it, and I don't think, although it is the last video from this series, that it will be the last video ever made here, because we will be back here. This is one of the most beautiful regions we have been hiking in, and obviously we love the Eifel, we love the Elfringhausen Schweiz. But this is just, it's something special. It is only 5 hours away from home, so doable for a weekend. So I'm definitely going to check out possibilities for multiple day hikes, because there are some long distance trails here as well. You already saw me mentioning the Westweg in my first video that I made here from the Kniebes Heimatpad, and definitely that gives me so much homework to do to see what we are going to do with it. But for now, let's enjoy the last walk here, and we will take you. So I hope that you're still able to hear me with all the water. We are approaching the waterfalls, the cascade, and just experience it. I'm going to leave the original sound on it, so I will not be talking because you won't understand me anyways. Like I mentioned, the waterfall itself is 66 meters high, and the cliffs, it is in a sort of a gorge. The cliffs are 100 meters of high, so it's really spectacular. Would like to say enjoy it. Well, that was it. The final video in the Schwarzwald or the Black Forest region of Germany. We absolutely loved it here, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video. This was our goodbye for this weekend. But for how long? Because we actually are thinking about changing our summer vacation plans, and instead of going to the Eifel, going to spend 3 weeks right here in September, because there are a lot of opportunities for multiple day hikes, backpacking trips over here. So yeah, that makes me a little bit itchy to go back here and do some homework back at home, make some trails and multiple day hikes so that we can explore much more of this region. So I think that I can say stay tuned. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel and notify the alarm bell. And then as always, enjoy the outdoors. We will catch you on the next trail. Goodbye.